From the providers SEEDUSTRY, 18,000 PA inflate and vacuum cleaner. Portable mini vac. We're going to show you what it comes with. Pet hair, clean the car, small projects like on the table over here. We got some dust and we're going to unbox it and show you what you get inside. It is nicely packaged, as you can see, separated parts. We have an instruction guide, the VC08 Pro Vacuum Cleaner. Shows you everything about your product. As we open up the first package, protected by foam, your vacuum in a plastic bag, nice and large, size of my forearm to the hand. Please remember to peel off any stickers and film. In the other package is the accessories, also taken care of. You get a nice large velvet carrying bag, USB-C portable charger. You have here is a pet's brush with metal and protected tips. You have this little cover that lifts up to take the hairs and remove, snaps in. Simply by pressing the button over here. We have different attachments, an angled, a straight, one that's flat with a little curve to it. We have a small soft brush that comes apart to a chute, and a narrow one, same thing, comes off with a narrow pointer. So inflate and blow, and this is the inflator. Our demonstrations we show with the USB-C plugs into the bottom by the yellow. It's at 90% with increments of 4 going up and a power on switch and the cleaning area. There is film to peel off of the actual smoked door, as you see. To unlock it, simply twist and remove to get the film off. We have here is the cleaner. The filter comes out O-ringed, snaps into place, and locks up. While the unit's charging up, we have an extension hose that we need to go over. It snaps in, and we're able to put on different attachments. On the bottom of the unit, after the charge, we have the adapters that go on and screw on for the opposite end of sucking or blowing. This is the vacuum side. This is the blower side. And let's demonstrate that for you right now by placing on. Give a little twist and it's on. Place back on by matching the white dots. And you have your blower, keyboard cleaning, dusting out vents and more. Any particles get stuck, clean out. Turning the unit on is simply hitting the button, long press, cycles, and the speed. Three speeds, low, medium, high, and off. Double press, triple press, does nothing. Long press, on, long press, off. Some dirt, cleaning up, and show you a nice close-up shot of it going in and cleaning. Turning the unit on. Speed number 1. It may be difficult for you to see. Inside is the dust particles it picked up right there. In this demonstration, we're going to put on the suction, and it is a waterproof item that we got water. Turn the unit on by a long press. Suck the water up and shut the machine off and bring to the side and open up to spill your drink and water out. Allow the unit to dry. Allow the unit to dry through the hole over here. These are just some of the things you could do with the vacuum cleaner and the suction. Clean out the track. from vacuuming to cleaning a keyboard by blowing out, we just simply press the button, pick the speed, and clean your keys. Blow the keys. The 6,600 milliamp battery with 30 minutes plus of runtime in different modes of mode 1, 2, and 3, 8K, 12K, 18K PA for dogs, pets, and more. This is a vacuum cleaner, 4-in-1 use. Inflate, deflate, vacuum, and do the dog's hair in the car and more. Put it on the dog and clean up. Enjoy your vacuum cleaner if this is something that you were looking for. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration and thank you for viewing.